joining?
Nope.
You are dumb. Faster. Oh, and today we're playing a scary story again. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I do this to myself. But the Golden Arm. These are all scary stories. The Babysitter. Nope. Hide and Seek. The Passenger. There's more over there. Coming soon. Scary Story Rides. The Scary Story. Alright, let's read what she says. Oh, it's a movie theater. Hello, if you've already purchased your ticket, you may enter either side of the ticket booth. Enjoy the show. Hello? Hello? I want to wait for my sister. Slow. Check out more awesome story games in our new. The Fairy Tale Ride with Pumpkinhead. Are you there yet?
No.
Oh my god, I swear.
It literally.
Then I'm gonna play it by myself then.
No.
Then faster. Faster.
Faster than a cheetah.
Yes. Your phone is not faster than a cheetah. It's slower than a turtle. Hey, it's a true. It's a true. I wanna do a little bit parkour so I can get better at it. Ooh, I got it. It's a true. You finally joined my game. Finally, you're here. Come on, let's go.
But you know I'm here.
What? I do.
My game is lagging. Can you just wait here? I'm lagging myself. Okay, there we go.
Alright, let's go.
Hi, miss.
I've already reached it. Come on, let's go. Why the carpet's so scary? I have no idea. Hello, sir. Good evening. Right through these doors. Please enjoy the show. Why is it dark? Nani?
Because we're going into the story.
Oh, there it is. That scared me. Entrance. The Scary Story Ride. A Stormy Night. Okay, I gotta read this. Nick and Gloria.
This is the great story.
Gloria had enjoyed their 2-week vacation at the lake, and were packing. I guess this is a narrator, and were just packing up for the car for a long ride back home. I wish we could stay for another week, Gloria Longley said. Said Longley. Yeah, me too, Nick said in agreement.
Can I go into the corner?
Bruh. Come on, let's go to the next story. Oh, why is it dark? I hate it. I already hate it. Nick started the car and turned on the radio to listen to the weather forecast. If you're traveling on Route 23 or 17 tonight, expect severe thunderstorm and flooding in most areas. The radio blared. Oh man, are you serious? Nick's response. It's okay, honey, we'll be fine, Gloria assured them. Can you wait? I'm trying to read for them, so they don't have to read it. They pulled out onto the road and headed Route 17. There won't be much flooding on the 17, so we'll take that, Nick said. Sounds good to my poopy head. To me, poopy head. I know. Gloria replied. They both cracked up. Oh god, I'm already scared. Bruh, why is it so dark all of a sudden? After about an hour of driving, the clouds began moving in. Storm's coming, Nick said to Gloria. Whoa, you scared me there.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like it's gonna be a rough one, Gloria responded. Can you go in front first? If there's like some scary things, I can just like... Okay, there's none. Alright. It's so dark. Soon the rain had started and visibility was getting lower and lower. It was also getting dark. Nick and Gloria braced themselves for the worst. Is it okay to go to the next one?
Yep.
Okay, if there's like any scary jumps, then tell me, because I can warn them. The rain quickly turned into a dangerous strong downpour. Nick gripped the steering wheel hard as he struggled to see through the blinding rain. Then suddenly, oh dear! No, don't crash into the wheel, dear.
What the heck is happening here?
A deer jumped out of the road right in front of them. Nick hit the brakes and spun off the road and hit a tree with rear bumper smashing the tail light, but they were okay. The deer ran off in the woods. They look scared.
What?
Oh, that's just their lights. Okay, go to the next one.
Okay, nothing.
Okay, nothing happens.
Am I your bodyguard now?
No. Nick pulled over and checked the damage before getting in the car. It's just a light tail and a scratch on my bumper, he told Gloria. Oh, thanks heaven. That was frightening. Get down, I can't see. That was frightening, she replied. Yes, it was, Nick responded. Ugh. They slowly drove on. Can you go to the next one now?
Yeah.
Okay, nothing happens, right?
No.
Alright.
Yes.
Because if something happens, I'm gonna warn them. Honey, we're pulling over at the first place we... Get down, I can't see. We come to so we can wait out the storm. It's just getting worse and worse, Nick said. You don't have to convince me. I'm all in with that. What are you doing?
No,
Gloria
don't do that.
agreed. Go to the next one, please. Nothing happened?
Why are you scared?
No, I need to warn them. It's not like I'm scared or anything. Oh my god, it's so dark. After another half an hour of driving, Gloria spotted something up ahead. Look, I think there's a diner up there, she said. Awesome, let's just hope it's open all night. Nick replied, half joking. They both laughed. Ma'am, please go to the next one. Thank you. Is it okay?
It's okay.
Okay. It's okay. When they pulled up to the diner, the neon sign said open. Gloria and Nick let out a sign of relief. Yes, Gloria yelled happily. Thanks heaven, Nick responded.
I just want to jump on the roof over there.
Hey, go to the next one. My sister's not scared of anything, bro. Well, I'm the big sister here, scared of every single thing.
Okay, she covered herself.
What? Oh. The two covered themselves with Nick's raincoat and hustled into the diner. Hello, I can't even see your face. How do you walk? I have no idea.
Everything's good here.
Alright, thank you. Whee! You probably see Funny play this, didn't you? The diner was very nice inside. The owner introduced themselves as a married couple named Silva and Josh. They seemed to be the sweetest people. Silva handed them menus as they talk about the storm. Yeah, the storm is crazy, Silva said. Get out, I want to look at how Silva looked like. Okay, she just looked like a normal girl. Alright, get to the next one. No jump scares?
No.
Alright. After a short time, Silva took the order and went back behind the counter to help Josh make food. Wow, they're so nice, Gloria said. I know, right? Josh agreed. No scary?
Yeah, just a pen.
Pen? Silva was back with the orders in just a few minutes. I want to burp. That was so fast, Gloria said, surprised. That's what we're known for. Fast serving and great food, Silva said happily. She went back behind the counter with Josh. Okay. No jump scares?
No.
Alright.
Later have jump scare when this story.
Alright, I'm going back. Thank you. Bye. Good night. This is the end of the video. Bye. Nah, I'm gonna finish it. After they had finished eating, Silva slipped by to take their plates and fill their coffee cups while leaving a bill on the table. Gloria and Nick barely noticed. They sat for an hour or so until the... Oh no, I have a bad feeling. Are you on the other side now?
Yeah. No jump
There you
scare.
are.
You slapped my face. Eh?
Why can't I go?
You slapped my face.
Okay, there we go. Gloria and Nick left money on the table with a very nice tip.
Oh no.
They thanked Silva and Josh for the great food and service and headed out the door. Josh and Silva waved goodbye.
前面你去先啊，我在 gas 那边。
Casually. Why do you want me to go first? You know I'm scared.
No, you just go.
Well, after a terrifying experience with the deer and the storm, there was a wonderful way to pull that all behind us. Gloria said happily. Agreed, totally. What a great couple and diner. Nick responded. The sun was already up, coming.
No jump scare.
Okay.
Why you always want to ask me no jump scare?
I can't read it. It's all smashed up. Oh God, how am I supposed to read this?
Just like this. Yeah, I can read it.
I can't. You what?
You met.
They needed some gas, so they went at the first station. They pulled in an old man came. They pulled in and an old man came out to greet them. Nick asked him to fill in. I can't read it. Okay, I have to get somewhere to read this thing. I still can't read it, bro. Nick asked him to fill it up, and he began to pump the gas. Gloria told him that they had just eaten at Silva and Josh's diners.
No jump scare.
Okay.
Oh, there's a boy standing right here. So cool.
I can't read it. Josh and Silva, you two are way too young to know about what? I can't read, bruh. About them, the man said, "Oh, Gloria." Gloria replied, "Well, I can't read it. Isn't them their diner? They were what is that? What? I can't read that word. Were nice. Ah, there it is. Nice. Oh my gosh, I literally cannot see. Gloria responded, "That's impossible. They died." Wait, Gloria? Isn't it the man? I can't read it. If you want to read it, you can read it by yourself.
You go first.
Gloria and Nick were in shock. Anyway, you must. I can't read it. Oh my gosh. I seriously can't read it. Be nice. And about some other diner day, the man said. The two got back into the car and sat there in total silence for a good 5 minutes. Are you sure there's no jump scares? Alright. There's no way we got it wrong, Nick said quietly. We were going back, aren't we? Gloria asked. Huh? Live with thinking. We're both crazy, Nick said. I can't see it. I think that's that man, if joking. Wait, Nick said, That man, I don't know if joking, I don't know. Let's do it, Gloria replied. They headed back. Oh, there's probably gonna be a jump scare. What is it? Nick and Gloria drove all the way back to the diner. They pulled into the parking lot and parked. There was only silence. After a few minutes, they both stepped out of the car and walked over the building. I can't read it. Oh my gosh, this thing is just annoying. Indeed, the diner had burned to the ground. A very, very long time ago, the only table left standing was the one they had eaten at. And there, what is that word? And there. What is that supposed to be? R or? I don't know. Huh? It's literally so confusing, bro. I can't even read it right now, bro. Why? Why does it do this to me? I like reading, but I can't read it, and it's getting... I'm literally so mad right now. Let's see if I can get a good view of the things. Bruh, it just makes it worse. Oh my god. I'm triggered right now. On the burnt remains of the table was their food. Bill and the money they had just left. Silva and Josh. Okay. Take your money back, boy. Help me see if there's a jump scare, okay? I'm just gonna close my eyes. Bro. No more?
No, just a jump scare just now.
I know, a skeleton on fire. Right? Bro. I am proud that I made through all of that. Wow. I finally finished one horror story. That was great. I totally did not close my eyes. Yeah, I totally did not do that, guys.
You did it.
No, totally not, bro.
Yeah.
Totally not. What do you mean, yeah? Totally not, bro.
Yeah, 你可以玩一个 spooky game.
Nope. 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 No. 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 No.
你跟他去那个 trip 的。
Nope. Nope. I'm a ghost. Bye. Whee!
Flicker.
Flicker, I can play it because it's not that scary. Because it doesn't have things chasing you. Yeah. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna go play Flickers now. And record it. My sister's phone is on. Her phone's dead. Her phone's dead. And yeah. I'll play Flickers and record it. Ooh, what a nice chandelier. Okay, so yeah, bye.